Hey, this is JJ from Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in beautiful Seminole, Florida. I'm just about to pull this Acura into the garage and do some polishing, but I just wanted to emphasize, especially to some of you new guys out there, that just, washing and then throwing some wax down on your car, you're actually waxing over and kind of protecting the embedded contaminants that you cannot wash off your car. So you may want to step your game up a little bit and use something like this product here, which is Optimum No Rinse. This is in the clay lube dilution. You can also use it as a rinseless wash, but it's got pretty good lubricity. And I've got it in my new ZEP high output chemical sprayer, and all you do is spray one panel, or on the case of this hood, which is rather large, a half a panel down. Sorry, I'm working, so this is just impromptu, but this is an Adams clay mitt instead of using natural clay, which I do use Blue Magic. This car had a real rough surface. When you have a glove on or a plastic bag, it's called the plastic bag test. You can put some water on the car after you wash it and run your fingers down across it. And if you feel any kind of bumpy roughness, your fingers will pick it up through the plastic, or these are nitrile gloves. So I've got two clay mitts here. This one you can see, I hope you can see, the weave pattern, kind of like a cross hatch pattern in this very sticky clay material. This one is Auto Scrub by Nanoskin, and this one's more of a flat surface, although it does have these ridges. And I use the two of them because they kind of work. I think this one picks up the heavy stuff. You rub the surface back and forth and just go back and forth with it until it feels pretty smooth. And then I personally, just as a professional basis, go back over and make sure that I don't feel anything with this one, which kind of grabs the finer materials. So just a little, quick pointer there. So I want you guys to keep your cars beautiful as always, your boats, your motorcycles, your airplanes, and be sure and hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up, share this with someone that you might know who takes care of their car, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for being with me. I do appreciate it. Take care.